All right, so on the daily time frame, we have daily SMT, and the price is not sync, sadly, because here on the Nasdaq it closed below this low, and here it wasn't able even sweep this low. So this is not ideal. Even if SP 500 didn't close below, we can anticipate this is as a weak closure. So maybe price gonna go back and then going lower to take out the pre-daily high after when it swept the pre-daily low and going higher. On the daily time frame, we had a C2, C3, C4. So right now, ideally, after this huge down move, what we anticipate a consolidation and then retrace. Now we have daily order block, both of the indices. So I'm not really a big fan of this price move because it's difficult to decide you want to frame long or short. So right now I would sit on my hands and wait for tomorrow red news. I think I won't touch Nasdaq and SP 500 during the Asian session. The 4 hour time frame, we have SMT at the high and SMT at the low. So again, not ideal, both of the instruments. We had another change in state of delivery, so we can anticipate another down move, but at the same time we swap this low and we close only here, so this is like a weak closure. If the price would like to continue its bearish move to the downside, I would like to see this H4 OB to be respected and going lower. Ideally, I would like to see a retest of this OB, and we have a H4 fair value gap. So if the price wants to go lower, I would like to see the price coming back this fair value gap and then going lower. So maybe we're gonna have another H4 candle that's gonna sweep this high, and that's gonna be a C2 within the H4, and we can short from the C3 to the pre-daily low. But we will see. H1 right now, not ideal. So if the price wants to go lower, I don't want to see this high to be invalidated or swapped. Let's see crude oil. So yesterday I marked that I would like to see a continuation lower, and first I would target the pre-daily low. And today the price exactly did what I mentioned in my video. If you haven't seen, go and check because that video has a lot of information, a lot of gems. Right now we have failure swings here. What I would like to see are manipulation back to the pre-daily low and then going lower. And the pre-weekly low is above us as well. It can act as a resistance. Now the market is open. I would like to see the price coming this level for a H1 CSID and target pre-daily low and target this October 20 low. I have another low here, which is actually 21st of October. I would like to see the price coming back this daily POI. Right now it's doing its job. Probably it's gonna range a bit. I would like to see closure below this OB because this is the latest up move. So I want to see a down move and then going lower. It's not ideal because it's really close to the pre-daily low. Right now I will sit on my hands, not touching anything yet. I'm gonna check the gold. Beautiful. It didn't sweep the pre-daily high. A lot of people who was longing to target pre-daily high and pre-weekly high probably lost their accounts or actually had a big loss. I'm not surprised that the price didn't take out actually the pre-daily high, but the problem is this price action. Today's price was within this yesterday's price. I'm still thinking about that. This is really bullish, and what I would like to see, this is my price from the high to the low. I would like to see the price to respect the close and the 50%, and I would like to see not lower than this range. Maybe we're gonna make the week back to the body and then going higher because the pre-daily high, pre-weekly high, and the all-time high, they are really close. Tomorrow we have red news. Probably the market's gonna be really volatile, so be careful, lower your risk. As I mentioned, those days not really great to have a bigger risk. Let me see what we have here. On the H1 time frame, I see I have a pre-daily high here and I have a pre-daily low here. That's funny to see the price actually swept this internal liquidity and then went back to the inverse fair value gap and then filled this imbalance here. And if I would like to see long position, the only problem is that again we had a lot of down close candles here. Probably there was around like 81 to 28 easy 60 points, which is $600 move with one micro. Not ideal again, because to see any long, I would like to see a manipulation done and then go higher to make a new order block. So something like and target pre-daily high, but in that case, we're gonna invalidate the daily low. Why? Because I don't want to see closure below the daily low. Probably it's gonna go lower and then higher or lower. We will see. I'm not sure about this price action right now. I don't like this move. I don't think this is a valid OB when we have within this OB, internal OB. I don't use that, even if actually it's gonna be a protected high or low on the time frames. So right now, I'm not really happy with the price action. Probably because tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of red news. It's not easy to trade. Be careful. Sit on your hands and don't trade. Don't make stupid mistakes. Thank you for watching the video. If you need any other information about my strategy, you can find the link in the description. Thank you.